Hey guys, so I'm bringing you another stamping video. Why? Because I got some more plates from RedNote. I'm also looking at another company that I think I might be able to share with you guys because I can get the not only plates, but I can also get gels. So the issue with getting stuff from RedNote is sometimes they don't send the material safety data sheet, and so the shipper cannot send it to another country because you're sending like gel materials, blah blah. So what I'm gonna do is I place an order, fingers crossed that it comes. Once it comes, I'm going to show you guys in a whole video exactly how to get your items from there and how to find them, because I feel like they just have so much cool stuff that we have to have it. Like, we really have to have it. So, keep watching this video. Let me know what else you want to see. And I'm going to make sure that I do a full list of every single plate that I have with images. So, if you guys want the exact ones that I have, then you'll be able to get those as well. Every single plate that I've gotten has been like super great quality, easy to stamp. You see how easy this one is to stamp, and it looks like it's a lot of like independent little people that just make plates and sell them. And the same with the gels and stuff. It's very cool. Fingers crossed I'll get to go to China next year and look at getting some custom stuff made for us. Not sure just yet, just kind of trying to do the planning and then also get through Black Friday, Cyber Monday, oh my gosh, in my shop, because you guys know I sell airbrush nail art stencils and I teach airbrush lessons, but I'm also incorporating other techniques with mine because I have several airbrush lessons where I incorporate stamping with the airbrushing, and I think you all have seen that in some of my shorts. But definitely comment below. I do have, I think I did the Barbie plate already, and I do have three Hello Kitty plates. No, not Hello Kitty. Three Betty Boop plates, which are super freaking cute. So if you want to see those stamped out, just comment below and I will definitely let you know, okay? All right. Thanks for joining me. Keep watching the video. Share with your friends. And if you are actually interested in seeing how I buy stuff from RedNote, just comment below and I will be sure to do that video as well. And before I forget, because I always forget to say it, but like, subscribe, share, save this, share with your other friends. If you have other nail tech friends that are looking for a cool nail person channel to follow, go ahead and follow mine. I got lots of information on making money, on saving money, on growing your nail business, because I've been in this whole thing for 21 years and sharing is the name of the games, folks. So I'm glad you all are here. This stamping plate was like the digital part one or whatever, and it had like some cyber type designs. I really like this one. I actually ended up using it on a client, but it's great to have you here, and I will see you in the next video.